Hey, this JD and FIA. Just want to show you this old school gospel quartet style type drive, I guess you can say. Just real quickly, we're going to be in the key of G flat major scale, G flat, A flat, B flat, C flat, or we're going to call it B, D flat, E flat, F, G flat. We're going to be using some notes that are not in the G flat major scale. They're going to come from the minor scale, but we'll go over those as we get there. So we're starting off, all right, very simple, all right. With my left hand, I'm just kind of hitting the octave G flat and then hitting that D flat in the middle. Just staying on that one, all right. You don't have to play the D flat if you don't want to. You can just play the G flat right there. All right, right hand, I'm playing these chords. All right, 1 chord, 4 chord, and I guess a 5 minor, flat 7, however you want to look at it. All right, so first chord I'm hitting is the G flat major. So I have D flat, G flat, and B flat. Next chord, I'm gonna play a 4 chord, B major first inversion. So I got E flat, G flat, and B. And then my third chord is gonna be this. We're just for this reference, so we're gonna just call it off the flat 7 since we got that E in there. All right, so we got an E, A flat, and D flat. Screen saying G flat 7 sus 2. All right, G flat 7 there, with A flat being the sus 2. So we're saying bum. Alright, and then I did this move right here. A flat, A flat, G flat, E flat, back to G flat. Then you're gonna, when you come out of that, you're gonna pick up off that 4 chord there, B major chord, first inversion. So E flat, G flat, and B. That's where you're gonna be at. All right. You can do it fast, or you can do it slow. Then I walked it, did that move there, all right, to get to our 5. So, let you hear that. Try to slow it down. Right here. All right. All I'm doing is playing octaves. B flat, both hands off the 3. So B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat. Go to the B, then to the C, and then hit the D flat, and then you're gonna land the chord. All right, and the chord I have D flat in my left hand, right hand F, A, D flat, E. Then we're gonna throw this in there, all right? So I'm playing that A diminished chord, A diminished 7, going to my 1 chord to the G flat major first inversion. So once again, that's A, C, E flat, G flat, and then come up to B flat, D flat, G flat. And you can throw this in often. So you can say, instead of doing this, coming back down to the G flat, to the G flat chord, you can say, and then pick up off that B major chord. like that. See if I did anything else. So you got the. So when you hit that G flat right there off that move. That takes the time of when you normally play that G flat major chord. So you don't need to play that G flat chord again on top of that. You go straight to the 4th chord. So, and I like to play that in my left hand. I like to hit that D flat because it kind of fills up that space. Without the D flat, it's fine, but I like to play the D flat. If you decide to do this move right here, you're just not gonna take it. You're not gonna be able to do that right there. So you got after you play that flat 7 chord, all right, the E, A flat, D flat, you go straight to it. So yeah, just wanted to share that with you. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.